how to make the ultimate seed storage system. Welcome to our seed storage binder. I'm so excited to give you this tour because it has taken us a while to figure out how to best organize our seeds. And as you can tell, we've got lots of them. But this system works, and finally, after years of frustrations of loose seeds in Ziploc bags and in containers that at some point we need to plant them. Well, after years of not figuring out how to organize the seeds, we finally figured it out. So the big problem was that we thought we were looking for a storage container, a seed storage container, some sort of box. We just couldn't find what to fit all of our needs. But this binder system, it just works. This is what we need. You can see our daughter has decorated, and I just love that bee she put on there. So we have divided it up into two. We have two sets of alphabetical dividers, one for veggies and one for flowers. In the beginning, we have this little pocket where we put used seed packages for veggies, and we have one in the back where we put the used seed packages for flowers, because you just never know when you need to figure out where you got the seeds from. Right here at the beginning, we have a couple of pockets for seeds that need to be planted soon. As you all know, timing is everything, and if we don't get them planted, then it becomes too late, especially here in Florida. We're almost out of time with a lot of seeds. Here you can see I've got velvet beans, Seminole pumpkins, Brussels. I want to plant lots more Brussels this year. Cerasee and some purple tree colors that I want to get in pots or in the ground. And then everything's just organized by alphabetical order. We have these double-sided photo pockets. Make sure you get the double-sided ones. It just makes it easier to separate them. And then we have, apparently there are a lot of C seeds. We got cilantro, chives, lots of chives, garlic chives, chard, cilantro, chias, Swiss chard, cucumbers. I don't even know why I'm trying cucumbers. And then we have this trading card pocket, which has room for 9 different cards or seed packages. This works very well for seeds that we get for free at our local seed library. Oh, we love that seed library. And also when we order seeds from Etsy, they usually come in these little pockets. Or when we save our own seeds, we also have these small seed envelopes. So I want to find peppers. Oh, let's find some lettuce. We got lettuce, lots of different lettuces here. Leeks. See, it's easy to just go through it. Peppers, different types. Peas, peppers again, pigeon peas, Seminole pumpkin seeds that we collect ourselves. And then let's see if I can get over to the flower section. Spinach, sage, sorrel. Here we go. Here we are at the flower section. So I have another index, same thing as the first one. And on the A, we got African daisy, alyssum. And there you go. That's how it is. It is that simple. We even had some dahlia seeds in here. I don't know. We're giving it a try. We'll see how it works out. And then, let's see if I can get to the back. Snapdragons. Those should be planted very early. I think I missed the window this year. I did plant some, but I think it was too late. Zinnias. Those are different types. One last thing is that you need some extra of these big sheet protectors, because you might get some of these big seed packages. These are our organic crimson clover cover crop seeds. and they can't fit in the smaller pockets. Then in the very end we have a section with our garden notes. This is actually something I printed out from the notes on my phone. The different garden beds, bed 1, bed 2, bed 3, bed 4. I created this document in Excel where I'm going to start writing down what I plant, where I planted. See, we have the month, seed, special notes, source, location, and the date planted. I have one for each month, so 12 pockets. And this is simply because we need to get better at planting our seeds. And this year I have been very good at taking notes, but I would like to have it in an Excel document and then so I can write it down here when I'm out in the food forest, in the garden, and then go back to the computer and type it up, so it's easy for every year to know when to start planting or when not to start planting. So that's it. That is our seed storage binder. Before we get to what you need to make your own seed storage organizer just like this one, I want to thank all of you for being here and for watching our videos. And I want to ask you to please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We want to help you grow your own food, make more plants, and why not learn from our failures and successes so that you don't have to make the same mistakes. Now let me tell you guys what we had to get, what we had to buy to create this binder. It cost us less than $30. And what you need is you need a 3-inch binder, or I think maybe it's safe to say that we need a 4-inch binder. You need 2 alphabetical dividers. These right here with the tabs A, B, C. Then you need 1 to 2 photo album refill pages for a 3-ring binder, and make sure to get the double-sided pockets so that you can put them. So you can see how you put them one in here, and then you can put one here, and they're separated. It just makes it easier. So make sure to look for the double-sided 4-pocket sheets. And then you need 1 to 2 packages of these trading card sleeves. And you need a pack of sheet dividers like this one. Those you can get at dollar store most of the time. But we had a hard time locating these other photo pockets and the trading cards sleeves at our local store, so we actually had to order them online. You know where. I'm not even going to mention it. There are lots of benefits to having this seed storage binder, including the fact that you can tailor it to your garden or your farm needs. You can sort your seeds alphabetically. Your seeds are easy to see and find. Oh man, that's a big one. You can divide the binder into veggies and flowers, or whatever else you want to divide into. If you want to have organic, non-organic. You can add notes if you need to. Your seeds won't fall out of the seed packages. And you can adjust to this seed binder and add to it as your needs change. Yeah, I know we already need to change ours. It's not big enough, but hey, it'll work for this summer. But yes, it's just how it is. When you love plants, when you want to have a farm, you need to have a lot of seeds. And yes, seeds expire. I still haven't figured out exactly how to work with expiration dates. But maybe you guys have a solution. Please leave me a comment if you have a solution for how to organize your seeds so that none of them expire. I don't know. I don't know what the solution is for that one. All I can say is that this is going to make it a lot easier because now I have all of the seeds in one place. See how many shots we have? Swiss chart, the same Fort Hook Giant, same one. This one. I probably didn't even know that we had some already because I couldn't find them. Now I know. So it's also going to prevent you from overbuying seeds, which is another benefit. The biggest problem is the room it takes, but you know what? It took a lot of room to have all these seed packages in different containers as well. And then the second problem I'd say is that it's going to be difficult to carry into the food forest at least I could just take out a couple seed packages, bring it with me, and then come back and put them back into the seed storage binder and not have them laying around, which is going to be a big help. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and support the Dancing Teachers Family Farm by subscribing, sharing, and saving this video. Whenever you watch, like, save, share, and subscribe to our channel, you support our dream of expanding the Dancing Teachers Family Farm, and we can't wait to take you along on a journey. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.